Look at yourself right now. Not tired, not unlucky, not broken, hijacked. Your brain has been rewired, quietly, systematically, to choose comfort over effort, stimulation over focus, the easy hit over the hard work. And it started with your phone. Every scroll, every notification, every reel that ends before you even decided to watch it. Each one delivered a small dose of dopamine. Each one trained your brain to expect more, faster, easier. And now sitting down to do real work feels almost impossible. Because it is. Until you fix this. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a dopamine problem. And here's the system to fix it. 5 steps. Starting now. 1. Dopamine detox. Every 10 minutes, you pick up your phone. Not because you need it, because your brain demands it. Here's what's happening. Dopamine is not a pleasure chemical. It's an anticipation chemical. It fires when your brain expects a reward, not when it gets one. Social media is engineered to trigger that anticipation constantly. Variable rewards, unpredictable likes, endless new content. Your brain has been trained to need that stimulation just to feel normal. So for 7 days, you declare war on the overstimulation. No binge scrolling, no mindless entertainment, no jumping from tab to tab, video to video, looking for the next hit. Only work. Reading, silence. At first, it will feel unbearable. That feeling is withdrawal. That feeling is your brain recalibrating. Push through it. When boredom becomes tolerable, focus becomes possible. And when focus becomes possible, everything changes. 2. Control what you consume. Your brain is not neutral. It is constantly being shaped by what you feed it. If your feeds are full of outrage, comparison, and distraction, your brain learns to crave outrage, comparison, and distraction. You are not scrolling passively. You are programming yourself. So for 1 week, treat your content diet like your food diet. Unfollow accounts that drain you. Delete apps that pull you into loops. Clear your watch history. Be deliberate about every piece of content you consume. Only educational content. Only things that build something. Your brain is a hard drive. Garbage in, garbage out. What you feed your mind today becomes the quality of your thoughts tomorrow. 3. Exhaust your body. Here's a pattern that never fails. When physical energy stays unused, mental restlessness takes over. You sit still. You scroll. You feel anxious without knowing why. You reach for stimulation because your body has energy it never spent. The solution is simple. Use the energy. Heavy workout in the morning. A run, a sport, physical activity in the evening. It doesn't have to be extreme. It has to be consistent. When your muscles are fatigued, your brain gets quiet. Not because you're tired, because you spent the energy that would have become anxiety, distraction, and craving. Movement is not just fitness. It is a neurological reset. The most focused people on earth are almost always the most physically active. That is not a coincidence. 4. Replace the urge. Don't suppress it. When the urge to scroll hits, and it will, suppressing it through willpower alone rarely works. Here's why. The urge is real. It's a signal from your brain that it wants dopamine. Fighting it directly is exhausting. Replacing it is easy. The moment you feel the pull, move immediately. Wash your face with cold water. Do 20 push-ups. Go outside. Call someone. Write 1 sentence. An urge is a wave. If you wait 10 to 15 minutes without feeding it, it passes. Every time. But if you sit with it, if you pick up the phone just to check one thing, you're gone. Don't see urges as enemies. See them as energy. Your brain is charged and looking for a direction. Give it one. 5. Build an anti-boredom system. Most relapses don't happen because the urge was too strong. They happen because you were bored, alone, nothing to do, mind wandering. And then the phone appears, almost by itself, already in your hand. Boredom is the entry point. So close it. Build a list before the moment hits. A book you're reading, a skill you're learning, a project you're building, something physical you can start in under 60 seconds. When boredom strikes, you should already know your next move. An idle mind is a distracted mind. A busy mind is a focused mind. The difference between the two is not willpower. It's preparation. So ask yourself right now, who are you? If the answer is someone who always loses to distraction, then you will keep losing, not because you're weak, because you haven't built the system yet. Build it. Dopamine detox. Clean your inputs. Exhaust your body. Replace the urge. Eliminate the idle moment. 5 decisions. Applied every day. And within weeks, you will not recognize how you used to live. Focus is not a personality trait. It is a skill. And like every skill, it is built 1 rep at a time. The person you're trying to become is on the other side of the phone you keep picking up. Put it down. See you next week.